Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix incompatible drivers error for memory integrity in Windows 11. So open CMD. Now here right click on command prompt, run as administrator. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now here guys, you need to type this command dism /online /get dash drivers /format table. So type this command line. Then press enter. Now wait for a few seconds. So this is the way guys we can fix and resolve incompatible drivers error for memory integrity in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.